Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 4 of account part 2, that is bills of exchange. In previous two videos, we have learned about bills of exchange and promissory note. Today, in this video, we will be discussing the difference between two, that is, difference between bill of exchange and promissory note. Difference between bill of exchange and promissory note. Point first is order or promise. So we have seen that promissory note is a unconditional promise and bill of exchange is a unconditional order. A bill of exchange is an unconditional order to pay money. A promissory note is an unconditional promise to pay money. Who draws on whom? A bill is drawn by creditor on his debtor, and the promissory note is made by debtor and sent to his creditor. Parties. There are three parties of bill: drawer of bill, acceptor of bill, and receiver of money. In promissory note, there are two parties only: the maker of promissory note and receiver of money. Fourth, need for acceptance. A bill does not become operative unless it is accepted by the person on whom it is drawn. In case of promissory note, there is no need for acceptance of a promissory note as it is made by the debtor himself. Responsibility of payment. The acceptor of a bill is responsible for making the payment. If the acceptor becomes insolvent, then in case bill endorsed, the drawer may also become liable. Responsibility to pay the amount of the promissory note is that of drawer only. Days of grace. There 3 days of grace are allowed after period of bill to pay the amount in case of bills of exchange, and in case of promissory note, no days of grace are allowed in case of promissory note. So friends, 3 days of grace are allowed here in case of bills of exchange. We will be learning about how to calculate days of grace and how to calculate maturity date in the next video lecture. Okay. Next, dishonor. The acceptor of bill fails to pay the money on the maturity date. It is known as dishonor of bill. Notice to be issued in case of dishonor of bill. There is no need of notice for dishonor of promissory note. Then accommodation bill. There can be accommodation bill. There are no accommodation promissory notes. And last is condition. The common person or trader can draw a bill with the condition payment to bearer on demand only. The Reserve Bank of India can issue a promissory note with the condition payable to the bearer on demand, that is currency note. So friends, this was about difference of bills of exchange and promissory note. Next lecture we will be knowing about bills receivable and bills payable. Also we will learn how to find maturity date. Also we will know bill at side and bill after dated. Thank you.